Hey guys, it's Verdi Boss Gaming here, and today we are doing an episode of Phantom Forces. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video. And so, before we get into this, I have a message to you all that we have now officially hit, let's reload the page, 15 subscribers. I promised that at 15 subscribers, I do live streams. I'm starting live streams Sunday, February 18th, which is tomorrow morning maybe, and I'm basically probably going to be uploading after anywhere, basically from at the very latest 1 to 3 or 4 a.m. I'm probably going to do like a 2-hour live stream at the very least, or an hour at least. So guys, make sure to check it out tomorrow. Put it on post notifications so you don't miss the live stream. If you guys put down your username in the live stream, I will friend you on camera. You'll be able to get a shout out. If you guys have a channel, I'll give you a shout out. Just leave it down in the comments. If you guys want me to play a certain game in the live stream, just leave that also down in the comments and I'll play that game. I'm going to be playing any game that you guys suggest. And I mean like any game. Okay, so, but tomorrow I'm going to be doing that live stream, so make sure to keep your post notifications and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss the live stream. I'm going to be also releasing tomorrow my video schedules of when I'm going to be doing videos in the week. I might change it here and there, add more videos. I'm going to make Sunday a designated live stream day, which no matter what, I'm going to be doing at least one live stream every Sunday. I'm probably going to do a lot of them. Okay, get that guy. Ow. Oh, gee. Gee. Okay, but if you guys want me to play a certain game, leave it down in the comments. You guys have been friending me like crazy. You guys have been playing with me like crazy. Keep up the support on the channel. Keep getting people to subscribe. If you guys know anybody that would like the video, share it with them. Ow! No! Steven ZB killed me. But as I said, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the live stream. If you send me a friend request during the live stream, just leave your try to leave down your username, even if you already have sent the friend request, just so I know that you're a fan, who's trying to friend me, not just some random guy. And so, let's get into this episode of Phantom Forces. If you guys want to see some future series, just leave it down in the comments, your ideas, and I will do those. I also will be on live stream. I will be doing any game that you guys say I should play. I'm going to be doing Phantom Forces Jailbreak. I could do any games you guys want. Leave down your favorite game and I'll play it with you. Leave down your IGN, friend me, and all that good stuff. And I will play with you guys. Please subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already. So, now to the episode of Phantom Forces. Let's see if we can try not to die. Let's try to get 30 kills, maybe. That's a good, decent amount. Okay, let's get this. SKS. Actually, no. Okay. Okay, got you. Wait, we lost? That's not fair. Okay, defeat King of the Hill. If you guys want me to play on your server and I'm not on your server, friend me, join my server. If it's full, I'll ask. I might try buying private servers. I'm probably going to be getting also Robux tomorrow. I might get Robux. I'm about to level up, so you guys are going to see me level up. I need 1,000 more XP, which is like 4 kills on this game. So let's go right here. Or like 4 base captures. Is this team deathmatch? No, this is the team, whatchamacallit, Slayer Dominations. So let's get over here. 3, 2, 1. I've never actually spawned over here. Don't know if this is a new area or something. If you guys know if this is a new area, leave it down. I know this part's not new. Ow. Nope. No! That's not fair. Okay, I'm trying to get as least deaths as we can, as most kills we can. So, squad deploy. Maybe here. Deploy. Okay, got you. Yeah. T. Blah, blah. Ow. Control. Control. No. Oh, come on. There's a guy right behind me. No, not behind me. Who's even behind me? Oh. Ow. Ugh. Oh no. Ow. Oh, come on. Okay, 4 kills, 4 deaths. Okay, squad deploy. Yes! We win! Yay! If you guys enjoyed this, if you guys enjoy Phantom Forces, leave a like on the video. If you guys want me to play Jailbreak more often, other games more often, leave that in the comments below. Just even one comment down below could make a lot. Equip skin. Let me see what this looks like. That actually kind of looks sick. I don't want to sell it now. Confirm. That looks sick. Case inventory. Okay, I'm selling the cleaver now. 3,000. Okay, let's go over to weapon loadout. Stevens DB. Where is it? Support. Maybe it's in secondary. Sawed off. I know that. Zip. Breeze. SFG. Machine. Where is it? Battle rifles. Stevens DB. How much is that? 6,300. Secondary maybe? Should I buy a secondary? Sawed off. That's 7,000. That's more. How much is the SFG? SFG 5,000. Breeze. Huge amount more. Caribbean, no. DMR, K23SM, 2,800. How good is this though? Compared to the Stevens DB. I'm gonna probably keep this. If you guys enjoyed this episode, leave a like on the video, comment down below, and I hope to see you all at the live stream tomorrow. Thank you and peace out.